Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is Nancy with nancyjoseph.com and 90 Seconds with Nancy, where I take your fashion and your beauty struggles and I give you solutions in 90 seconds. Today I want to talk to you about a training that I just left a training with my business coach, and it was for doing video and for doing lives on Facebook. And I wanted to share my number one takeaway from the training today, and it has to do with doing videos and putting yourself out there, and that is that your brain believes everything that you tell it. And so if you are hesitating to put yourself out there because you feel like your hair doesn't look good, or that you're bloated, or that you are fat, your brain is believing that. So I want to encourage you to say kind things to yourself so that you can put yourself out there and you can feel confident. So listen, it was such a great training, and I have so many more nuggets that I'm going to be sharing with you. So I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, and there's new episodes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In the meantime, be kind to yourself, and remember that your brain believes everything that you tell it. Thanks, guys. See you on the next video.